Great news, guys. Open houses are back. So it's the beginning of February 2021, and Governor Jay Inslee has now said real estate can start holding open houses again. So this had been shut down and off again. We're on. We can have open houses with up to 10 people, which is even better than last time. So we can have plenty of people coming in through our open houses, and that's a really big blessing because it's been a challenge to get into these homes for sale over the weekend. They've just been booked up with a lot of showing time appointments, and sometimes people don't even come to those. So if there's a home that you would like to see, let me know. I'll see if we can get you in there for either an open house or a private showing. But I know Super Bowl weekend is coming up. That's kind of the kickoff for the spring selling season, but we're expecting lots of buyers and lots of sellers to continue to be in the market, and you need a real estate agent to help you kind of get in there and navigate if you actually find a home and you want your offer to be accepted. So it's tough, but we're out there, we're doing it, and I'm here to help. This is Emily Cressey with HomePro Associates at HomeSmart here in Seattle, and as always, I am here to serve.